Garden kneelers are a must-have for anyone who loves gardening but wants to avoid knee pain and fatigue. These supportive tools cushion joints and provide added stability, making gardening more comfortable and accessible, especially for those with mobility issues or anyone spending extended time close to the ground. Whether you're pruning, weeding, or planting, garden kneelers help protect your knees and make it easier to move around your garden or patio. Number 1. Abcco Tech Garden Kneeler and Seat. Our top overall pick is the multifunctional and sturdy Abcco Tech Garden Kneeler and Seat. It does double duty as either an ergonomic and absorbent kneeler with protective side supports that allow you to get up and down easily, or as a stable and comfortable seat that takes pressure off your lower back while working. The frame is constructed from strong metal and built to support up to 300 pounds. It is 23 inches wide and large enough to comfortably accommodate most people, yet it's also lightweight and easily portable. We used this kneeler/stool for 2 weeks and really appreciated how comfortable it was to kneel on. The cushioned surface made a big difference, and the sturdy side supports gave us extra balance and stability. Using it as a seat was also a pleasant surprise. It offered just enough height to make pruning and potting less taxing on the lower back. The attached tool pouch was another feature we appreciated, keeping essential tools within arm's reach and saving us multiple trips to the shed. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Thick Foam Kneeling Pad. The Gorilla Grip Thick Foam Kneeling Pad is a budget-friendly and simple option for those looking to take some serious pressure off their knees. Available in a variety of fun colors, this is an affordable and space-saving option. This 1.5-inch high-density foam pad can be used outdoors or for various projects and purposes. The thick padding provides cushion and stability and won't compress over time like thinner options. It also makes a great portable seat cushion. During our field test, we found the pad to be extremely durable, true to the Gorilla name, and it performed well on both soft garden soil and hard surfaces like pavement. We especially appreciated its portability and versatility. Beyond the garden, it's easy to bring along for camping trips or to use as extra seating on bleachers. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry, and the textured surface helps prevent slipping and sliding. Number 3. Ohoohoo Garden Kneeler and Seat with Tool Pouches. For those who are looking for a slightly more heavy-duty option, the Ohoohoo Garden Kneeler and Seat might be the ideal solution. Like some other choices on the list, this model doubles as a cushiony garden kneeler or a sturdy garden seat. Unlike some others, however, this particular item offers an impressive maximum weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. It also features a slightly wider and thicker knee pad. Another bonus to this well-constructed garden kneeler with seat is that it comes with not one, but 2 tool pouches to hold and organize all your gear while you work. It also features a handy single-handed folding mechanism for easy compact storage when not in use. It is somewhat pricier than some other choices on the list, though. Also, some users noted problems with the cushions either falling off or the plastic support between the cushions cracking. Number 4. NoCry Gelguard Pro Knee Pads. The NoCry Gelguard Pro gardening knee pads are a top pick for those seeking independently functioning, multi-purpose pads that offer all-day cushioning and reliable knee protection. Built from heavy-duty materials, they feature military-grade rivets and multiple layers of EVA foam padding with a gel cushion core. The protective cap, made from patented thermoplastic rubber, includes a raised bottom lip that helps limit rolling and adds stability on uneven terrain. Each knee pad is secured with 2 double-layered adjustable straps for added comfort. We found they offered excellent knee padding and protection, particularly when we wore them while planting annuals along our driveway. We found them especially beneficial for prolonged use on rough or hard surfaces. Number 5. Garden Guru Extra Thick Garden Kneeler. The Garden Guru Extra Thick Gardening Kneeling Pad is a versatile and durable solution for those seeking comfort during various gardening tasks. This pad is crafted from soft memory foam encased in water-resistant fabric, providing generous all-day comfort while protecting against cuts or scrapes on any terrain. Its lightweight design ensures easy portability, and the built-in handle adds to its convenience. Plus, it's machine washable, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The Garden Guru kneeling pad is perfect for gardening, weeding, cleaning floors, painting, yoga, and more. The high-density foam offers excellent support, reducing strain on knees and joints during prolonged activities. With its combination of comfort, durability, and versatility, this kneeling pad is a practical addition to any household.